Hi everyone, this is Aris Moreno again and welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a canister filter. I've been using a canister filter for a year now and I can say that these really work wonders in maintaining the quality of the water in your aquariums. Many people are asking, how do we choose the right filter for our aquarium? So the rule of thumb is you need to multiply the water volume of your aquarium to 4 and that should be the flow rate of your filter. Let's say I'm using 63B Sunsun canister filter for my 15-gallon planted aquarium. 15 gallons times 4 is equals to 60 gallons. So I have to choose a filter that has flow rate of 60 gallons per hour. Since 63B Sunsun canister filter has flow rate of 106 gallons per hour, we can say that I am using the right filter. So let's unbox this. I ordered it from Lazada. So it cost me 1,300 pesos, but it's really worth it. Be careful when doing this because it's really hard to find spare parts. Let's put this first before we place the porous rings inside. The porous rings are not included in the package, so you have to buy them separately. Remember not to overdo this because you still have to put the 3 foams inside. So let's put the filter floss inside, but before we do that, let's rinse this well. Please take note that filter floss like this is not reusable, so you have to replace it at least once a month. And after that, we will put the black foam. This is the fine foam, and then the medium one will be the yellow one, and this is the coarse foam. Let's connect this hose to the water pump before we add water inside the canister filter. Make sure to tighten this to avoid leak, and then put this here. Don't forget to tighten this. You have to fill it up with water before it works. We can now put the lid on. And the other hose will be connected here. Okay, this will be the inlet. And now we will assemble the intake. And please don't forget to put this because this will prevent your fishes, the smaller fishes, and your shrimps from being sucked by your canister filter. After the inlet, we will assemble the outlet. This actually has 2 versions, so what I will show you now is the first version. And this is the second version. This is actually the challenge using this kind of filter, because whenever you are cleaning your filter and you're assembling it, you have to do this. You have to blow air through the hose several times before it works. And there are also times that you have to suck the water through the hose. But if you don't want to do this, make sure that the hose has water in it. That's it for today's video. If you have questions or topic suggestions, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and God bless you.